All right, in this video, I'm going to go over how to solve equations with variables on both sides of the equal sign. So in these problems, we're going to see a variable on the left and the right-hand side of the equal sign. For this first problem, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by getting rid of those parentheses, and I'm going to distribute out the negative 4. So I'm going to rewrite it as 4p equals negative 20 plus 24p. Now, usually, I locate the variable that has the lower coefficient, and that's the variable that I move. But since there's no constants over here and 4p is alone, I'm actually going to move the 24p over on this side. So I'm going to subtract 24p, subtract 24p, and we're left with negative 20p equals negative 20. So this way, I have my variable on one side and my constants on the other side. I'll divide both sides by negative 20, and I'm left with p equals positive 1. For my check, I'm going to write 4p over here and negative 4, 5 minus 6p over here. Now I'm going to plug in 1, so this is easy on this side. 4 times 1 is 4. On this side, don't distribute. Solve by using order of operations. So I want you to plug in that 1. Then I want you to do what's inside the parentheses. Negative times negative is a positive. All right, we got 4 equals 4, check. All right, for my next example, I'm going to first distribute my negative 2 and distribute my 4 so that I get rid of the parentheses. So I'm going to have negative 24x plus 4 equals negative 20x plus 20. Then I'm going to locate which of my variables has the lower coefficients. This one has the lower coefficient, so I'm going to move this one, which is going to result in a positive number over here. So let's see, we have 4 equals 4x plus 20. Now I'm going to move my constants over to join my 4. So I have 4 minus 20, that's negative 16 equals 4x. I'm going to divide both sides by 4, and I'm left with negative 4 equals x. Oops. There we go. Now for my check, let's write down this equation. For my check, I'm not going to distribute. I'm just going to plug in the negative 4. So let's see. I have 12 times negative 4 minus 2. So that's negative 2 times negative 48 minus 2, which is negative 2 times negative 50. When negative times negative is a positive 100. This is 4 times negative 5 times negative 4 plus 5, which is 4 times 20 plus 5, which is 4 times 25, which is 100. And it checks. All right, and for my last one, I know it looks scary, and the reason why it looks scary is because it's so long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine my like terms, and I'm going to combine these constants right here. So I'm going to rewrite it as 0.3 parentheses d minus 4 end parentheses equals 0.4d, and then when I combine these, I get negative 2.4. Next, I'm going to distribute my 0.3 to get rid of my parentheses. So I'll have 0.3d minus 1.2 equals 0.4d minus 2.4. Then next, I'm going to locate my variable that has the lower coefficient, and I'm going to move this one. So I'm going to subtract 0.3d, subtract 0.3d. I'm left with negative 1.2 equals 0.1d minus 2.4. Then I'm going to move my constants over to the other side. So plus 2.4, plus 2.4. Now I have 1.2 equals 0.1d. Whoops. There we go. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 0.1. And I get 12 equals d. So for my check, I have 0.3 d minus 4, and I have 0.2 d plus 2.6 minus 5 plus 0.2 d. Now I'm not going to distribute, and I'm not going to combine like terms, because that could have been where I made my mistake. I'm going to leave this exactly how it is, and I'm going to plug in 12 every time I see the variable. So I'm going to have 0.3, 12 minus 4, which is 0.3 times 8, which is 2.4. Then I'm going to have 0.2 times 12 plus 2.6 minus 5 plus 0.2 times 12. And I'm going to find out what this is. 0.2 times 12 is 2.4. So I have 2.4 plus 2.6 minus 5 plus 2.4. So 2.4 plus 2.6 is 5. So 5 minus 5 plus 2.4. 5 minus 5 is 0. So I'm left with 2.4 equals 2.4. Check. All right, I hope this was helpful. Please see me if you have any other questions.